The place. Senior Nathan Como and the UT community go to have fun. But as of Sunday morning, it's the place of a mass shooting where 14 people were injured and 2 killed. Como, celebrating a friend's 21st birthday, left the bar to get pizza across the street. And just minutes later, heard over a dozen shots.
But after the first shots, I crouched behind the bench. But then there was silence for 5 minutes afterwards, so everyone thought, hey, this is over.
So he thought, until seeing Austin police run onto the scene. Como started recording, unknowingly, catching the police killing the suspect.
I didn't know he was coming. It could have been really bad for me and for hundreds of people holed up in Buford's. We didn't expect it. We're on West 6th. This is the safe part of 6th Street.
At the place that Austin students considered an extension of their community.
UT's a big school, but it's a small community. Everyone knows probably someone who's affected by this.
This year, the show got a little bit of a facelift. Like many people in this room can understand, we nipped the SAG.
Sag-Aftra's annual awards had a new name but a familiar host in Kristen Bell and familiar gratitude for winners honored by their peers.
I love being an actor. I love actors. Working with you, playing with you, and when necessary, marching alongside of you has been the greatest joy of my life.
Honoree Noah Wiley returned to the stage with the cast of The Pitt to accept the award for Best TV Drama Ensemble. Seth Rogen topped that, taking the podium 3 times as the studio won Best TV Comedy Ensemble, and he accepted individual honors for himself and the late Catherine O'Hara.
She really showed that you can be a genius and be kind, and one of those things does not have to come at the expense of the other.
Harrison Ford received a Life Achievement Award.
Thank you to Sag-Aftra for honoring me with this prize. This is very encouraging.
I wasn't expecting this, but it does really mean a lot to me from my peers.
Film honorees included Amy Madigan for Weapons.
Work with my heart in my hand and stand beside my brilliant, daring friends who show me their heart. I mean, what a way to spend a life. Thank you.
Jessie Buckley for Hamnet.
This ride has been unbelievable, so thank you for welcoming me in and making me feel seen.
And Michael B. Jordan, who retook the stage with his Sinners cast to accept Best Motion Picture Ensemble.
From the bottom of our hearts to the bottom of your hearts, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything.